Hey, I'm Stin, and here I am with my another video. Here, I will just make a quick tutorial about this repository which I just uploaded. There were many people who were asking on my Telegram like how to use this repository. So here is going to be a quick tutorial about it. First, you will have to download it as a zip, unzip it, and there you will get such things. Thereafter, if I try to go use the cloud, it just says like I'm just trying to type hey, and it just says you are not logged in and other kind of stuffs. So what you will have to do, just run this proxy, and before that you will just have to install all these requirements, or you can run the simple commands pip install read requirements.txt. Thereafter you just have to run this. Once you have run this file, there are two options. You can read those things into the readme.md file also, this markdown file. Everything here was explained by this DeepSeek v4 free model, which is by OpenCode Zen. And please don't mind my language. I'm just trying to speak English for first time. First time in the video which I'm making. It can be a little bit hilarious also. Anyways, here we got the port. What you will have to do, there are two options. Either you choose this thing or you choose these things. Let me tell you the difference. In settings.direct.json file, you do not route the model, you just pick up the real model, and in this you tell the Claude that you are using the real Claude and here is the model. So you can choose whatever you want. I'm making the tutorial about this one. What you will have to do, you just have to come here. There you will have to go to your drive. Here, go to your user and you will find a folder named as Cloud. Here you will find a settings.json. Just here come and paste that thing. Thereafter, when you go and run, you will just I'm just trying to say hey again, and as it is using this model as routing, so here you will get the answer. Okay, well, if I use the lower model like haiku, and here I say write a Python code to print random things, it might take a little bit of time because we are routing the model, and you do not have to worry about the converters or other things like the light LLM. I have done all these things. If you want to change something into this, then you can edit this file. This is open source on my GitHub. This is my GitHub page. You can see everything here. There are many other public repositories also. If you want, you can also start this repository. There were many questions like why did I provide the cloud fable 5.md and this one prompt essentials.markdown file also. So by the way, this is the code, and I'm so sorry for my sore throat. It took about 47 seconds, and I think it is plenty of code. Okay, the reason why I chose these models like this, because these were the best free models which were replying so fast, and this was the only model which has 1 million of the context, so I chose you can also change them with whatever suits you. Okay, and here is the Cloud Fable 5 markdown file, which is considered real. I saw on the internet and many other Reddit pages also. So what I did, I used the real Fable 5 and got the essential messages from here. and that made it just like this. It made it like this because if you are going to put that much of the context for open tier model, open free model like the Mimo v2.5 Pro or DeepSeek Paper Flash, then it will lose most of the power, while it is compromising with the markdown which we have given here. Like this is too big to be handled by a free model, so I cropped it down. And if you go here, you will find more models also, for more free prompt also here. This is not my repo. I had just forked it from this user. The real credit goes to this user for only the prompts, as the script and the converter, everything is written by me. Okay, well, for writing this, I had used the Claude Sonnet 4.6, the real one, into the web terminal, whatever you call web CLI, whatever it is. Okay, so this was the video. I shall be trying to make every video in maybe in English language, cause I'm just trying to be fluent into the English, so I thought it could be a better way to be fluent in English. I'm trying my best. But anyways, thank you for watching the video.